Okay, we have a Punters Choice Lightning Cash. Haven't seen this one for a very long time. 2014, so it would have been one of the very early Lightning Cash games to come out, especially in the Helix. I set it as normal, 92% maximum, 90 to 91 is the average. So we'll just start on a 1 cent with a $300. Let's do $2.50 bets, see how we go. It looks a little bit like Spring Carnival, doesn't it? So, those who remember Spring Carnival when it first came out. It's got the odds boards. I'm guessing that's part of the feature. I really don't know, but nothing for horsies. Ooh, let me guess, probably need 3 of those maybe. Oh. It's got nothing special on the graphics, like animation wise. Like I said, it is a 10-year-old game, isn't it? So. Ooh, 4. Okay, so horsey substitute. Okay. Oh, at least we've got something back, have we? Yeah, $4. Here we go, here we go. Ugh. Wishful thinking. $1.75, crikey. Okay, let's see some sort of feature. If I get bored. Oh, I was going to say the horse is only on reel 2, but no, they are on at least 4 as well. There we go. No. 3 and 4. Okay, so they're on all reels. Didn't even get our bet back. Here we go, here we go. We've got a mini bonus as well. It's only $10. There's a jetpack at the top there. Oh, holding the spin. Okay. I suppose we're getting something back. Oh, keeps us in the game a little bit. Last one, here we go. Okay, coin show. $215. There we go. Let's increase the the bet and the denomination then, shall we? Let's go back to the games menu. Take win. There we go. Games menu. 10 cent. Max bet. Is that going to give us something nice now? Oh. I'd like to see the free game feature if possible. Oh, horsies. Two. Okay, well that's slowed down now, isn't it? One, no, 3, 4. Get horses a lot, substitute. Need. Okay, this. I need to find the answer. What triggers the free games? 3 horseshoes minimum. There we go. As I suspected. Oh, 4 there. Nice. Well, it's only 2 spins, isn't it? Oh. Lots of little payouts. Like I said, I wouldn't mind seeing the free game feature. Yeah, that's right. Spring Carnival, these used to be multipliers, didn't they? Obviously, it's not the same on this game. Oh, there we go. Right, do get to see the free game. I'm guessing it's 6 games, is it? Let's find out. Oh, okay, 10. Whoa. There we go. Oh, free game, free trigger now. Horses. The music getting faster and faster. Sounds like it. Last spin. Is that it? $72. No wonder they got rid of this game. Okay, well we've got still got a couple of $100 to go. I suppose just sort of keeping us hanging in there. Pays out a little bit every now and again. Yeah. It's very green, isn't it? You don't see many games with green. They're normally red and blue and pink. Orange, I should say. Oh. And 3, not 2. Come on. There's 1. Now we're smashing through that money. $100 left. Oh. Oh, here we go. Here we go. No. Here we go. Oh, oh, no. Last spin. 45 cents. I don't think. Oops. Let's hope we don't win on the last. It's normally the case. Anyway, there we go. Punter's Choice, one of the old early games. Don't see many of them around. Yeah, jackpot didn't move much. Thought I'd drag out some of the old ones because I get a bit bored of the new ones. Anyway, another losing slot. What did we do with that in? We did $300 in 11 minutes, so that's how quick it went. Till the next video.